If air bubbles have gotten trapped under your glass screen protector, it may help to remove and reapply the screen protector. Slip a thin object with a sharp edge, such as a credit card, under one of the corners of the screen protector, and very carefully lift the corner. Take care not to bend or break the screen protector. Once you've removed it, set it aside and wipe the screen clean with a screen wipe or a lint-free microfiber cloth dampened with rubbing alcohol. Dry the screen with a clean, dry microfiber cloth when you're done. If you still see dust on your screen, remove it with the sticky side of a strip of cellophane tape. Carefully line up the edges of the screen protector with your screen, then reapply it, starting at one edge of the screen and working your way down. If possible, do this in a humid room, such as in your bathroom with the shower running. When you're done, press down in the center of the screen with the edge of a credit card or another thin, flat object. Push out from the middle of the screen to each of the edges to squeeze out any trapped air. If you notice bubbles around the edges of your screen, lightly dampen the tip of a cotton swab with vegetable oil and wipe the swab along the edge with the bubbles. Squeeze the edge of the screen protector to push the bubbles out, then wipe away the oil with a lint-free cloth or paper towel.